Oh, okay, if there's a 5 in there, it's not a multiply. It has to be an addition, right? So, yeah, we have, if it's 5 and 1, that's 6, we need a 6 here. That's no good. If it's 5 and 2, that's 7, we need 5 more. We can do that. So that means it's 5 and 2 and a 5 down here. So that, because this was a 1 or a 2, and we've got the 2, that has to be the 1.
Right. So that means that's got to be a. Alright, so 12.
Each row adds to 15, right? So the best you could do with addition would be 10. For the entire rest of the row has to add to 10, right? So this is 12. So it certainly can't be addition over here. That's got to be multiplication.
So it has, what a 12 is,
It has to be a 3, 4, 1. The only way to get 12 multiplying 3 numbers that are in the same row is 1, 3, 4. So this row, the 12 here, has to be 1, 3, and 4. Right. So let me do this. 1, 3, 4. And that means we've got everything, and the 5 means we got a 2 here. And, hey, this has to be, there's a 4 and a 5 in some order, but a guaranteed 4 here means that the 4 has to go down here, and the 5 has to go up here. So we got ourselves a 4 here, we got a 5 here, oops, 5 here. And now we know this is a 1 and a 2, right? I mean, we've got the 3 and the 4, so that's a 1, 2, and that's a 1, 2. I don't know if that'll help.
Well, we know that two of these 5 boxes, sorry, 2 of these 4 boxes have to be 5s.
Huh.
I don't know how to write that down in here.
And they
So it has to be
in the same row.
It has to be 5.
That as well has to be an addition, right?
Yeah, so that has to be.
Oh, this is interesting. It's a block. Either the 5s go this way, or the 5s go this way. 5 goes this way is easy, right? 5, 10, 11, 12. Can we make it work this way? 5. We could have been 3, 4, right? Oh. So would that work then if we had a...
So then we would need to add up two blocks to add up to 7, right?
If you had a 5 in that squiggle, then you'd need a 4, but there's already a 4 in that row.
If we stick a 5 in here... Right. So does everybody see that? There are these 4 blocks left over with no clues at all, but there's no 5s above at all. That means there have to be 2 5s in this 2 by 2 block. And they can't be in the same row or column. So the 2 5s go here, which would work, or maybe they could go this way. So it's easy to figure out what to do if they're here, right? This will be 5, 5, 2, and then we just work it out. But what if they're this way? That means this is a 5. That means it's definitely addition. And that means 5 and 3 is 8. That would make that a 4. Does that make sense? So that can't happen because we've got... So let's repeat that one more time. The 5s either go here and here, which seems okay, at least for now, or they go here and here. If there's a 5 here, since it goes to 12, it can't be multiply, because you can't have factors of 5. So that means this whole thing must be an addition. We've got 5 here, and 3 more, 1 and 2, is 8. This plus this is 8, so to complete the 12, we would need to have 4 here, but that can't be because we've got a 4 here. So that means the 2 5s have to go here, and that'll be a 2. Whew. So,
I've gone into fairly hard problems. You know, I really want people to realize you don't have to start this way. There are plenty of easier problems that you can generate. But what I wanted to do, you know, mainly one of the points of today is to sort of show just how deep into mathematics this can get. Just how you can use reasoning, but it's nice because it's reasoning with arithmetic too. So practicing two things that people need to you know, anyone who wants to learn math has to be good at reasoning and get your arithmetic facts down. But it's sort of cool. And now that 2 gives us a free 1 here. It gives us a 2 here. I'm just doing this by elimination, right? Nothing else for free. But okay, fine. Yeah, let's look at the 12 again. Yeah, let's look at the 12 again. No, let's look at that one again. It's got to be multiplication because the biggest you could have is a 2 and a 3 in here, right? So that would be 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's not enough to do addition. So it has to be multiplication. So we've got 2 here. We've got to get 6. How do you get a 6? 3 and a 2, and it's pretty clear the 3 will have to go here, and the 2 has to go here.
So that eliminates the 3s at the top.
Yeah, that'll do a bunch of stuff for us. So, yeah, here's the free 4. Well, first off, this is an automatic 1, right? Because it's the missing 1. Here's an automatic 4. And now that gives you that, so I'll do those 2. And then the 4 will go, and then the 3 will go, and then the 4 will go, and the 3 will go, and...